10 lessons from how to become a people magnet, 62 simple strategies to build powerful relationships and positively impact the lives of everyone you get in touch with. Book 5 by Mark Raichlaw. 1. The most important subject of any conversation is you. People are naturally interested in themselves, so showing genuine interest in them is a great way to connect with them. Ask questions, listen attentively, and make them feel like they are the most important person in the room. 2. Make a great first impression and achieve that people like you immediately. First impressions are lasting, so it's important to make a good one. Smile, make eye contact, and be friendly and approachable. 3. Really connect with people on a deeper level. To build truly meaningful relationships, you need to go beyond superficial interactions and connect with people on a deeper level. Share personal stories, ask about their passions and dreams, and show them that you care about them as individuals. 4. Convince people and get them to say yes to you. Knowing how to persuade others is an important skill in both personal and professional life. Learn how to use logic, emotion, and storytelling to get people to agree with you. 5. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is essential for building strong relationships. Be clear, concise, and direct in your communication, and make sure you are always respectful of others. 6. Avoid committing the deadly sin in human relations. The deadly sin in human relations is making others feel small. Avoid making negative comments or putting others down, and instead focus on building them up and making them feel good about themselves. 7. Make the human ego the ally in any of your endeavors. The human ego can be a powerful force, but it can also be destructive. Learn how to use the ego in a positive way to motivate yourself and others. 8. Handle complaints and critics smoothly. No one likes to be criticized, but it's an inevitable part of life. Learn how to handle complaints and criticism in a way that preserves your relationships and maintains your composure. 9. Listen effectively and be the most intelligent person in the room. Listening is one of the most important skills you can possess. Learn how to listen actively and attentively, and you will be seen as a more intelligent and insightful person. 10. Use body language to build immediate trust and make stronger connections. Body language is a powerful form of communication. Use it to your advantage by making eye contact, smiling, and using open gestures. Subscribe this channel for international education and books summaries. Swiss Project.